We're about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online today. I'm going to show you a website that will pay you dollars for every 2 minutes of work. But here is the catch. This won't work for those who are too lazy to even watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video because this is completely free. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. So let's get started. The first step for you is to go to google.com, regardless of the device you're using, whether you're using mobile phone, tablet, computer, or a laptop, as long as you have the internet connection. I want you to go to Google, and that will be your first step. I will explain everything in details, step by step, so that anyone can follow. So now go over to google.com. The second step you need to take while you're on Google is to search for a keyword called Capterra. And just press search. Now I want you to open this website. And this is what you will see as soon as you are on Capterra.com. This is a place, a tool, a platform that is willing to pay you to write different reviews for software and programs. You don't have to buy the software. You don't even have to use them. You can get the work done in less than 2 minutes. Go to where it says software categories and click here. It will then take you to this page. You can see that you can browse over 800 different categories. So software and programs are over 800 different categories. And then in each category, you have hundreds of different software that you can review. So all the products that are online now, you can review them and you can get paid about $20 for every 5 minutes of your time. So if you stay with me, I will show you how to complete that in less than 2 minutes and how to make over $10 again and again without having to buy the software for yourself. The third step for you is to click right here where it says to write a review, which will take you to the next page where you can find thousands of different companies and thousands of different products that you can review and write a review for, and you can search for those products and company names. So when someone wants to buy a software or a product, they will most likely go online and search to learn more about it, to see what other people are saying about the product. And if the reviews are good, they will be more likely to buy the product, which is why Capterra is willing to pay you. So if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, you can review all of these popular products that other professionals are using. And now if you go to browse categories, you will be able to see thousands and thousands of different categories of software and products that you can open up, and each of those that you review, you will get a lot of money from each of the reviews for each software. So now that you know all of that, let me show you an example of how you will actually complete the review and how you will be paid. You will come to this page I just showed you at the beginning of this video. You will come over to Capterra. You will select whichever company, product, or software you want to review. Simply click on it and you will be sent to the review page where you will need to fill out some information about yourself. I like you to put your first name, last name, email address, and other basic information. Then they will ask you some additional questions, such as how frequently do you use this software? And I recommend you to select an option from daily to weekly rather than monthly, because using monthly will imply that you are not using the software frequently enough, and your review will most likely to be turned down. What is your role in using this software? Obviously, you're just a user, so click next. So what's the overall quality of the software? It's always good to leave a 5-star review if the software or the product is really good. You can rate other features, but this is also optional. But the more of them you complete, the higher chances of making money. After that, you will go on and, complete the rest. How likely is that you recommend the software? I would say 9. And the final tab is to give your review a title. So after that, click submit and you're done. I really hope you found this video useful. I will see you in the next one.